Hello, guys, and welcome again. So, today we're going to be talking about Google Calendar, right? This is very, very important for you to know as a virtual assistant, right? Because most of the times you're going to be managing your clients' calendars, you're going to be, scheduling meetings here and there. So, it's very important you know how to navigate your way around Google Calendar, and that is why we're going to trash it today. So as always, you go to your, Google Workspace. That is where you can see all of your Google applications, right? So you check and you see your Google Calendar wherever it is. So here is my Google Calendar. Okay. So one first things first, always make sure that you know you're in the right email address, right? Next thing is, you know, you want to create an event, or you want to create a task, or you want to schedule an appointment, right? So let me explain this. For events, it's probably you want to schedule a meeting, right? It could be any type of event. It could be a webinar event, a podcast event. It could be, as long as it's going to be a meeting, it's mostly called an event. Okay, this is for tags, probably to do tags. You want to, set reminders for yourself and the likes. Okay, this is where you get to show your tags. So if you have any available tags, this is where you're going to see all your tags, right? Why this is for your calendar. This is where you're going to see all the events that you've created in your calendar, right? Probably even the tags that are on your calendar. This is where you're going to see them. So this is where you click to view, you know, how you want your view to be. If you want it to be per day, you just want to see all that you have for that day. This is where you click on. If you want to see all that you have for that week, or all that your clients have for the week, this is where you click on. All that your clients have for the month, this is where you click on. All that your client has for the year is the everything. So you just need to, know how to navigate your way around it. This is the settings. You probably don't need that for now. So I'm going to go back to the week. I usually like setting my own, per week so that I know all that there is for that particular week. Okay, here you see clearly that it is June 2025, right? And this is today. Okay, all right. So this is also showing you the full month calendar, right? And it's highlighting the particular day we are in currently, right? So if you're sharing this calendar with other persons, you're also going to be seeing all the other people that you're sharing the calendar with below, or probably if your boss, right, has given you access to his calendar, you're also going to see that, yeah, you're going to get the notification that you're included in somebody else's calendar. Okay, yeah, so this is how you get to know that. Also, this is how you create. Let's create a sample event, right? So first things first, always add the title, right? Always add the title of the event. If it's an interview, if it's a webinar, if it's whatever it is, always make sure you title it appropriately. Always make sure you click on the event. Okay. Always make sure that you select the right time and date, and in case and time zone, right? And time zone. Always make sure you check this properly, right? Always make sure you check this properly. Know the duration, right? Know the duration of the meeting, and try as much as possible to always include at least 30 to 1 hour, 30 to 1 hour extra just in case. Okay, and this is where you get to select the time zone for those of you that have that are working with people that are from different time zone from yours. Always make sure you know the right time zone you are including. Okay, so this is where you get to select if it's a regular event or it's just a one time off. If it's a one time off, then leave it at do not repeat. But if it's a daily event, then you choose daily. If it's a weekly on Saturdays, just choose appropriately. Okay. Or you can even customize it, right? Select exactly how you want it to be. If you want it to be reoccurring every once in a week or every twice in a week or something like that, you can customize it here. Okay. This is where you add guests. You add, for instance, if you're meeting, right? It's very appropriate that you add the people that are going to be attending that meeting, right? You add them, include their email address, include it individually, please. Include their email address and then add the Google Meeting conference. Select this to add it. Okay. Once it's selected, it's included. You can also include location, right? Include location. Always ask your executive or boss before doing this, okay? You can also, it's very important that you include the description of the meeting. This helps, or you can include a document, right, that helps explain the meeting, the agendas of the meeting, okay? Yeah. And then you save the option. Here you can also, this is where you get to select the notification if you want each person to be notified 30 minutes before the meeting. This is where you get to change it. Okay. You can also change that, right? If you want them to be notified an hour before, a day before, it's all up to you for you to do. Select the one that you want, okay? And then you save it. So I'm gonna delete this because it's not a real meeting, so that it doesn't spoil my calendar. Okay. So in case you have any other questions, right, don't forget to drop it in the comment section. Until next time.